How many months does it take to become fluent English speaker? There's any certain time, or there's any the perfect way which I should follow it, then after that I can speak English confidently? No guys, please, if you are doing this mistake, if you are trying to learn English language, or you are trying to learn first how many months does it take to become fluent English speaker, if you are searching here and there like ChatGPT or Gemini or on social media like YouTube, so please stop doing this and focus on your learning English, because it depends person to person. It depends how much you are passionate for learning English language. It depends only your strength. So there's no any certain time, there's no any certain limit point that you must follow it and after that you can speak English, otherwise you cannot speak, you cannot become fluent English speaker. No guys, it depends person to person. So please focus on your learning journey, because in this learning journey I observed a lot of things, that how much time I spend. So in this journey I spent 1 year. Trust me, I have been learning English language for 1 year, but still I'm a learning. I won't say myself, or I won't consider myself I'm a fluent English speaker, because I have to learn so many things. I have to learn a lot of idioms, a lot of expressions, or a lot of vocabulary also. But I have some responsibility also. So how I'm doing my practice, how I'm learning English language. So I'm learning English through social media, through reading books, or through watching podcasts. Because watching English content or listening or reading, you know, it surround yourself English environment. So that's why I'm doing a lot of things for improve my English language. But you know, I don't learn how much time that I should follow for becoming fluent English speaker. Really, I don't know, because I have spent my 1 year, but still I'm learning. So I don't know how much time that you should give it, because it depends person to person. If you are very passionate to learn English language, then you can improve your English just by passing 3 months. But you can't become fluent English speaker just by passing 3 months. You need to, you know, pay attention for improve your English language each and every day, or you need to follow different things. You need to give a lot of time for becoming a fluent English speaker, like 6 months or 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. But you should be passionate, you should be determined, or you should be consistent, then you can achieve fluency. Otherwise you can speak, but you can't speak English fluently. So speaking English or speaking fluently, both are very different things. So for becoming a fluent English speaker, you need to be consistent. Okay, you need to speak English every day. You need to pay attention each and every time. So there's no any certain time that you should follow it, this particular time then you can speak English, otherwise you won't speak English. No, there's no any certain time. Okay, so start your journey today onwards. It doesn't matter you are making mistakes in your initiality or not, because in initiality everyone can make mistakes. That is very normal. Okay, that is very normal. So forget your mistakes, try to speak. So learning grammar or speaking English, both are very different things. Yeah, after learning grammar you can speak English confidently or without making mistakes. But I would say if you are learning grammar every time, or you're not doing speaking practice, so how you can speak English? You won't speak English. Okay, you won't speak in English. For speaking, you have to speak English, you have to read out loud, you have to talk to person, you have to talk real person, you should make friends, then you can speak English, you can practice with them. So both are very different things. So becoming fluent English speaker, there's no any certain time that you should follow and you can become fluent English speaker. No, you should try to learn each and every day. You should go ahead to improve your fluency, to improve your pronunciation, to improve your grammar mistakes. But I would say in initially you should follow only one thing, that is tenses or speaking. Okay, after that you should go learn idioms, expressions, or uh, other things. Okay, so you should follow everything, then you can speak English fluently. And please read, listen, both are very necessary for improving English language. Please read out loud and listen English podcast or listen English speech, whatever you like it according to your interest, because interest is very important. It's very necessary, because if we are listening according to our interest, so we can go ahead, we can watch another episode, we can watch another video, another movie about their interest. But if you are not listening according to your interest, so that will not help you to listen another video, another next video, next episode. So you should follow it according to your interest. I hope you got my point. Okay, so in this video I shared each and everything. How much time we should follow it? There is any certain time? No guys, no. You should do it everything step by step. First day, learn grammar like tenses, past, present, future, then make sentences, then speak out loud, read books or watch English videos or listen podcast, listen according to your interest. And please be consistent, be passionate. It depends person to person how much you are passionate for improving your English, because there's so many learners, they are starting their journey, but after some time they you know they are unable to continue that journey, then they give up. So I don't want you give up, I want you go ahead, you learn each and every day. So please, if you found this video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.